Hello class. Our first world reading is the Epic of Gilgamesh. It is perhaps the first thing ever written by man on tablets, and what better place to start world literature. Please read the general information on the Sumerian Epic Gilgamesh, and it provides insight into the themes for which we will be reading, for which we are looking for. It also explains why you may be confused in regards to the gods. The reason is they're confusing with no hierarchy. If you're confused by what you're reading, try reading and listening to it. Doesn't work? Read it and look at the summaries. Read it and watch videos over the tablet you're reading. But be sure to read. Take a look at your journal questions before you start the reading. And as you read, look for those universal themes that I cover right here. And always question why. Why did the engraver write down this epic for you to enjoy 4,000 years later? Let's see. And I have a little bit. This is the reading for you, for the background information. This is the actual epic. This is a pretty clean version. I've seen some translations where they repeat themselves a lot. This one's pretty short, and enjoy it, and thank you.